Hello friends, this is another question from JEE Advanced 2019 paper 1 asked for numerical value type. The question is from progressions. This year if you observe main as well as advanced, there are certain countable number of questions from the concepts of progression, and this is one of this question. See, if you see the question, they mentioned that A comma D denote the set of all terms of an infinite arithmetic progression. APAD denote the set of our infinite terms of arithmetic progression whose first term is A as well as common difference is D. And they mentioned that AP13, AP25, AP34 are three arithmetic progressions. That means these are three sets which contains terms of arithmetic progression whose first term is 1, first term is 2, first term is 3. The first terms of these arithmetic progressions, these are the first terms. And the common difference is 3 here, 5 here and 7 here. See, these are the three sets containing the terms of arithmetic progression with 1, 2, 3 as the first terms and then 3, 5, 7 as the common difference. Now the question is, the intersection of these three sets, that means the elements, the numbers which are common in these three sets, again forming another arithmetic progression whose first term is A and common difference is D. So we need to collect the common terms from these three sets. From these three arithmetic progressions, we have to collect the common terms, and those common terms are going to will make another arithmetic progression with common difference A, with first term A and common difference D, and we have to indicate the value of A plus D as our answer. Now see, these are the three arithmetic progressions. To find out the common terms in these three arithmetic progressions, we need to compare their general terms. See, coming to here, the general term, that in the sense you may say some pth term of this arithmetic progression. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is usually given by the rule that A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term of the arithmetic progression. With that logic, sum pth term of the first, qth term of the second and rth term of the third. See, pth term of this progress sequence is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D, and for this sequence 2 plus some qth term q minus 1 into 5, and for this sequence if you say some rth term 3 plus r minus 1 into 7. See, we don't know which term of first sequence and which term of second sequence and which term of third sequence are equal. So you just take the p term of first one, q term of second one and r term of third one are equal. So you just equalize these three. Okay, and then on simplification you have here, it is 3p minus 2 is equals to 5q minus 3 is equals to, and this is 7r minus 4, 3 minus 7 minus 4, right? Now if you equalize these two, how it becomes? If you equalize these two, and then 3p is equals to 5q minus 1, and if you equalize these two, you will get that 5q is equals to 7r minus 1. See, if you look here, 5q is equals to 7r minus 1. From there, we need to find out the values of p, q, r. See, which value of r is satisfying to give 7r minus 1 as a multiple of 5. Right. And then which value? We have to find out that one. See, you just try to check. If you take 1, if you take 2, 1, 7 minus 1, 14 minus 1, and then 7 3s is 21 minus 1. 7 3s is 21 minus 1 is 20, and from that we have that q value as 4. If you take q is equals to 4 here, 5 4s is 20 minus 1 is 19 is not a multiple of 3, so q is equals to 4 is also not our choice. Then we need to move forward. So then take 7 is equals to 4, 28 minus 1, 35 minus 1, and then 42 minus 1, 7 sevens 49 minus 1, 7 eights 56 minus 1 is 55, and the value of q is 11. If q is 11, here it is 55 minus 1 is 54, and the value of p will become 18. So with this checking, trial and error method, by trialing different natural values for r, we are stopped at 8. The value of r is 8 and the value of q is 11. From there the value of p is 18, which indicates that 18th term of the first sequence and then 11th term of the second sequence as well as 8th term of the third sequence are equal. So that equal term is the first term of the newly formed arithmetic progression. So what is the term? So that term, if you replace any value in this general term, either replace 18 here or replace 11 here or replace 8 here. If you replace 8 here, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 sevens is 49, plus 3 is 52. So 8th term of the third arithmetic progression, 11th term of the second arithmetic progression, 18th term of the first arithmetic progression are 3 equals to 52, and that is the first common term. So the first term of this newly formed arithmetic progression is 52, right? So I have a as 52. Now what about the d? What about the common difference? Actually they ask us to calculate a plus d. Since it's an arithmetic progression with first term a and common difference d, this a plus d is nothing but second term in generally. Okay, so now what I need to find out, the first term of this newly formed arithmetic progression is 52. I need to find the second term also. Now if you look here that 18th term is some 52. Since 18th term is 52, then 19th term is, here the common difference is 3, so 52 plus 3. And the next term is another 3 we have to add. And for the other term, we need to add one more 3. That in the sense, every term after that 18th term, after that 52 are nothing but 52 plus multiple of 3. And for the second arithmetic progression, the terms after that 52 are 52 plus multiples of 5. And for the third sequence, it is 52 plus multiples of 7. We need another common term. So 52 plus multiple of 3 is equals to 52 plus multiple of 5 is equals to 52 plus multiple of 7. So we need to find out the common multiple of 3, 5 and 7. 3, 5 and 7. That common multiple of 3, 5 and 7, that to the least common multiple of 3, 5 and 7, if you add, again that happens in these three terms. So that is also the common term of these three sequences. If you find out the least common multiple of 3, 5 and 7, that is 105. So what I mean is, since this 105 is the LCM of 3, 5 and 7, 52 plus this 105 again occurs in these three sequences. So that is the second term of the newly formed sequence. So our answer is a plus d, which is nothing but second term, and that is 52 plus 105. And your answer for this question is 157. So this is the question asked in JEE Advanced 2019 paper 1 for numerical value type. See, if you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. And another thing is, if you want to learn anything regarding this regarding these concepts of mathematics, just you comment in the comment section. And if you have any confusion or any doubt regarding this, again go with the comment section. I will try to reply for those questions. Thank you.